Hi, I'm Monique with Walker Tape. Today we're looking at base tape. Base tape is one of our few single-sided tapes. It offers daily wear clients a great way to reinforce their fragile systems. Base tape has a dull finish that holds invisibly underneath mesh systems. It allows you to create a perimeter that you can stick our more aggressive tapes to. This way, the stronger tapes can bond to the back of base tape instead of the base itself. In addition to preventing wear and tear on fragile systems, base tape works to make small repairs. If your client's mesh or thin skin system tears, base tape can provide a temporary fix. Its hold lasts between 1 to 7 days and removes very cleanly after wear. Learn even more about base tape at walkertapeco.com.